Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to screen record on your iPhone. Now, if you want to screen record on iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. And you can record your iPhone screen using the built-in screen recording feature. And some of the device may have the built-in screen recording feature, but some may not. That depends upon the feature or that depends upon the phone which you use. Now, to screen record, you may go on settings on a device, and under settings, you will see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, and all of it. You need to scroll down until you see the option of control center. So here is the option of control center. Now you need to scroll down, or you may also customize the control center. Now, if you have updated to the iOS 18, then you won't be able to see anything on the control center. So you need to simply scroll from the Wi-Fi side at the very top, and here you'll see various options. So here you'll see the recording like button, which will be at the very bottom. It is at the very bottom on mine. So remember where it is on yours. See where it is on yours. So you may simply long press on the screen recording icon, and here you'll see the option of screen recording on Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, and all of the app which you have used. And here you'll see the option of microphone, which is disabled right now. So if you enable it, and your speaking will also be recording on it, so you may simply click on the recording of the camera like button, and the screen record will be started on my device. So as you can see, the screen record is currently being started on my device. So you may click on the red icon at the very left, and you'll stop the screen recording after clicking on the option of stop. So by doing all of it, you may simply screen record the iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.